Hello guys, just another POV, another car POV, same as just like any other. Yeah, so I'm on my break now, and I need to move my car from the depot to somewhere where it's gonna be closer when I finish, because I start at the depot. I'm a bus driver, by the way, in case you didn't know. Yeah, so this is where I started in the morning, but I finished somewhere else. So after I would have finished, I would have to like catch the bus or Uber or whatever, and come back here just to get my car. So now that I'm on my break, an hour break, I might as well move my car a bit closer to where I finish. Then I'll be going home earlier. It's even better for me. It's a long shift anyways, from 11 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 11 hours. Yeah, especially at the end of the shift, all you want to do is just like go home. Yeah, the car I'm driving is a Volkswagen Polo 2007 with 120,000 miles on the clock. I think that's about 100 and yeah, so when I bought it, I think it had about 74 or 80,000 miles on it. So I've driven it quite a lot. It's my first car, by the way. Yeah, I bought it back in 2021 and I've been driving it ever since, because there's no reason for me to upgrade it, especially right now, because I could do better things with my money than just upgrade to a new car, especially if it doesn't have any problem with it, because it's very practical as well. It's got 5 seats, plenty of room and everything. It's just an excellent car, especially with the fuel as well. If you drive on the motorway, I swear this thing can go 100, 2, 3, 4. You can literally do 600 miles on a full tank. I'm not even joking, it's crazy. Because I remember I come from Birmingham to Manchester. I filled it up in Birmingham, and it's exactly 100 miles drive from Birmingham to my house in Manchester. And the fuel, you only consumed about less than a quarter, half of a quarter, how'd you say, 1/8 of the tank. You just like almost in full, to be honest. When you look at it from the driver's seat, it's like you almost didn't consume any fuel for the 100 miles of the highway, of the motorway driving. Yeah, I usually don't talk in my videos, because I think maybe people just like watching, the car sounds and stuff. But at the same time, how long can people just like, watch someone drive, without anything else, any other entertainment, like talking or whatever, or something crazy going on, because I'll probably get bored. Unless like someone's like speeding and drifting or something, then maybe you can make up for not talking. But otherwise you have to, I guess you have to talk to keep it more entertaining. I mean, if you watch so far into this video, you might as well subscribe, because if you like this type of videos, then you can expect me to upload much more of this kind of videos, especially very soon. Maybe even today or tomorrow, I'm gonna upload a POV of the bus I was driving. This area is Bolton in Manchester, by the way. it's kind of crazy area, you know. Every week or two, you always see like a big accident or something going on. There's always road closure, especially as a bus driver, you know. When you spend like 10 hours a day on the road every day, 5 days a week, you just see a lot of crazy stuff that you didn't see as a car driver. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this video short, you know. I'm gonna end it here because I don't want it to be way too long, you know. But let me know if you like this video, or if you have any feedback, positive, negative, whatever it is. I want to know everything. Just let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.